If your YouTube channel isn't paying you, it's not because of views. It's because you're missing these 4 videos. I made 25K from one video using simple systems. And today I'm going to break down the 4 types of videos that you need, plus the 5 steps that are baked into each video which will make them actually convert. See, here's the truth. Most creators are stuck. You don't know what videos to post. You don't know how to structure them so that they actually sell. And you're just posting randomly hoping that something sticks. And the result, you get some views, maybe a few comments, but you make no money. Whilst all these other creators that are probably worse than you are printing cash because they're following a system. This video is for somebody that already knows what they want to sell. But if you don't, go grab my free ramp revenue AI bot in the first link in the description. In literally a couple of minutes, it will map out an entire business plan for you so that you can fast track this step and make videos that actually work for you. Because if you don't fix this, you'll keep wasting time creating content that doesn't pay you. So this system comes straight from step 4 of my content flywheel framework. It's what I call the compounding effect. So here's how it works. Instead of just posting random content, you create 4 specific types of video that work together like a network. These 4 videos, they just feed each other and they keep getting recommended and they compound into consistent leads and sales. But here's the part that nobody actually tells you. It's not really about what videos you make. Like, yeah, that's important, but it's about how those videos are scripted. Because if you literally don't build the right triggers in your videos, the whole thing just falls flat. That's why every video in this system runs on what I call the close framework. This is like having a full-time closer working 24/7 for your business. So let me show you both parts of the system. First, the 4 videos that actually drive this compound effect. Then I'll touch on that close framework I just mentioned that makes every single one of those videos convert. The first type of video is the magnet video. The job of the magnet video is simple. It pulls people into your world. It's not about selling and it's not about fancy editing. It's about calling out the exact problem that your audience cares about. An example of a magnet video could be something like why 95% of YouTubers never hit 10K per month. Think about this as a fishing net. You cast it wide, it grabs attention, and it brings the right viewers onto your channel. The second type is the trust builder video. If the first video is about attention, the second video is about credibility. This is where you share your story, your results, or some unique insight that sets you apart from everybody else. For me, that was how I made 25K from one YouTube video by mistake. And this video wasn't to get views, it was to show people the back end of the videos that I made, how they made money, and how they can replicate the success and avoid all the mistakes. When people see that expertise in action, that's when they actually trust you. And when they trust you, they'll watch the next video in this flywheel. The third type of video is a conversion trigger video. This video shows your service or offer and how it solves the audience's actual problem. And this video needs to do 2 things. It needs to identify the problem that the viewer has. Then rather than just talking about a solution, you either need to tell the story on how you actually resolve it and how you can resolve the issue, or you do a demo of how your service can solve that problem. A quick example of this for me would be if somebody didn't know what to sell, I would literally just run a demo of my ramp revenue AI bot, which is free by the way, link in the description. But I would just run that demo of how it works and show them that all they need is literally a YouTube link or an Instagram link, a little bit about their niche and what they do, and it'll completely build out a business plan, show them how much revenue they could make, how they could do it, what tools to use. It'd show them everything. They'd see their problem of not knowing what to sell and they would see me resolve it on the video. That way, it's not just another CTA, it's the obvious next step. By the time it even comes to dropping in that call to action, the viewer is already convinced. They've seen your proof already on how it helps them. And finally, video 4 is a proof video. This is where you show your receipts, testimonials, proof, Stripe screenshots, people saying thank you, all these kind of things. Because that way, you're not just telling people that you can do it and they should trust you, you're showing them that you're doing this for other people, or you're showing them the proof that you can do it for yourself, and they want the same results as you. Proof undeniably just kills doubt, and when somebody believes in what you can do or your service or your offer, that's when they buy. That's why the proof video is literally like the glue to this whole system. It closes the loop and pushes people back into your flywheel. So now you've seen the 4 videos that complete the compound effect. This will have people binging your channel like it's Netflix. But the types alone don't make money. It's what's inside them that does. And that's where the close framework comes in. If any one of those videos I just told you about is structured the wrong way, they'll flop. They might get a few views, but they won't convert. That's why each one of those 4 videos needs these 5 steps baked into each video. And this is the difference between a video that gets watched and a video that makes you money. So step 1, C, capture. This is what everyone calls a hook. And if you don't nail it in the first 15 seconds, you've lost them. The rest of the video doesn't matter. So a good capture does these 3 things. It calls out the problem your audience cares about. It shows why they should listen. and it does it all in under 15 seconds. So we can literally go back to the start of this video. If your YouTube channel isn't paying you, it's not because of views. It's because you're missing these 4 videos. I made 25K from one video using simple systems. Did you see what I did there? There was problem, credibility, curiosity, all before the viewer even has time to click away. So step 2 is loop. Once you've captured attention, you need to re-hook it. Otherwise, people will just click away after the first 30 seconds of the video. Bro, TikTok has fried people's brains. Their attention span is this big. You do this by dropping a killer insight early on and creating a loop that makes the viewer think, wait, how the heck does that work? I need that. And again, you can just go back to the start of this video and look back when I said, today I'm going to break down the 4 types of videos that you need, plus the 5 steps that are baked into each video which will make them actually convert. That's a loop. It hints that they're gonna get a result and they're gonna get the system that produces that result. And the only way to close that loop is to just keep watching. That's why this step is so powerful. It pulls the viewer deeper into the video before their attention drops off. So step 3, or the O, is the offer signal. Most creators literally wait till the very end of the video to drop in the CTA. CTA is just a call to action. Just tells the viewer what to do next. But by the end of the video, half their audience has already clicked away. Instead, what you need to do is bake a call to action in the first 90 seconds of the video. And the trick to doing this is just to frame it as the next step, not a sales pitch. An example in this video, so you know that I'm using this whole framework as part of my video. This video is for somebody that already knows what they want to sell. But if you don't, go grab my free ramp revenue AI bot in the first link in the description. In literally a couple of minutes, it'll map out an entire business plan for you so that you can fast track this step and make videos that actually work for you. That's an offer signal. It's value first, it solves a problem on the spot, and it moves people closer into your world without breaking the flow of the video. If you get this right, even small view counts will turn into big leads. So step 4, S, or story/structure. Here's the problem. Most creators regurgitate tips their audience has already heard 100 times. And when viewers feel like they've heard it all before, they click off. The trick is to package this information into a framework that feels new. That can be done in a few different types of ways. That can be a story from your own journey, or a framework or a visual model so it sticks in the viewer's mind, or just a quick demo of your service that shows them and they'll relate that back to you. I didn't just say make your videos better, I gave you the content flywheel framework. I broke that down into the 4 types of videos that you need to be making. And then I also baked in this close framework that we're going through now as a 5-step scripting framework that turns a simple idea of make these types of videos and script your videos like this into a system that people will remember and they'll actually use, and they'll think about you when they use it. This step is what separates it from just being another tip video to one that compounds views, leads, and sales over time and places you as an authority. Making frameworks like this feels a bit overwhelming. I made a scripting GPT that can do this all for you. It literally scripts you a video with this entire framework baked in, and all you need is a video idea or a title of a video. If you want to check that out, link in the description. So the final step is the exit. The worst way you can end a YouTube video is just by saying, thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next video. The right way to exit a video does 3 things. You drop another call to action. You're literally just telling people where to go again. It future paces the viewer. Future pacing just means you paint a picture of what their life or business will look like after they use your system. And then finally, it redirects them to another one of your videos so that you can keep that content flywheel spinning. An example of this would look like call to action. If you don't know what to sell yet, grab my ramp revenue AI bot, link in the description. And our future pace, imagine 30 days from now, you've got 4 videos live, all structured to convert, and you're finally seeing leads and sales come in while you sleep, and then they redirect them. And to make this work even faster, watch this next video. It'll show you how to build the backend that turns those leads into buyers. That's a proper exit. It sells, it inspires, and it compounds your channel growth all at the same time. So let's just zoom out. The compound effect comes from creating 4 specific types of video. You got the magnet videos to attract, the trust builder videos to establish your authority, the conversion trigger to solve problems and to demo your offer, and the proof videos to show receipts and kill anybody's doubts about you. But remember, just having those 4 videos isn't enough. You need to make sure that you're baking in the close framework into each one of these videos. And the close framework is just C, capture, hook, plus credibility in under 15 seconds. L, loop, drop a killer insight early to rehook attention. O, offer signal, bake in your first CTA within 90 seconds. Story and structure, use stories, demos, and frameworks to make it feel new. And then exit, close with another CTA, future pace your viewer, and just redirect them to another video to keep that flywheel spinning. That is how you turn views into revenue, not by chasing the views like everybody else is. Let everybody else worry about that. Build a system where every single video starts to compound and work for you. If scripting all of that feels overwhelming, I've got the scripting bot inside my creator bundle. I'll leave it linked down below so that you don't even have to worry about this script. You just need to come up with the idea. You can just sit back, get the videos created for you. You've got these videos running live, bringing in the right people that are building trust and filling your calendar. That's when YouTube just stops being a hobby and it turns into a business that pays you some real money. But the next step after that is just as important, turning those views into paying clients consistently. So before you click off this video, watch this video right here, the exact system small creators use to turn viewers into buyers. That's where I'll break down the back end that makes this whole system print cash. And if you want the shortcut to this entire process, you can book a call with me and my team in the link in the description. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.